here is our next question, and this question has been asked in GATE 2008. So the question is, this question is also based on Banlar equation. So the question is, a binary mixture containing species 1 and 2 forms an azeotrope at 105.4 degrees centigrade and 1.013 bar. The liquid phase mole fractions of component 1 x1 of this azeotrope is 0.62 at 105.4 degrees centigrade. The pure component vapor pressure of species 1 and 2 are 0.878 bar and 0.665 bar respectively. Assume that the vapor phase is an ideal gas mixture. The Banlar constants A and B are given by expressions. So these expressions are given to us. The first question, this is the linked question, so we need to solve two questions. So the first question is the activity coefficients gamma 1 and gamma 2 under these conditions are. So let's find out कि आपको क्या क्या given है. So first thing is an azeotrope. It is forming an azeotrope at 105.4 degrees centigrade and 1.013 bar. So pressure is given. Total pressure is 1.013 bar, right? And azeotropes form है. So azeotropes के लिए condition क्या होता है? We know that the conditions for the azeotrope is the mole fraction in vapor phase is equals to the mole fraction into the liquid phase. So this is the condition for azeotrope. And okay, x1 is given. Okay, fine. The pure component vapor pressure of species 1 and 2. So vapor pressures are given to us. So for the first component it is 0.878 bar, and for the second component it is 0.665 bar. Okay, assume that the vapor phase is an ideal and Banlar constants are given to us. So from the liquid VLE, vapor liquid equilibrium, we know that from vapor liquid equilibrium, ये पार्ट भी मैं अभी आपको डिटेल में डिस्कस करूंगी इन इनकमिंग वीडियोस कि वेपर लिक्विड इक्विलिब्रियम क्या है, एजियोट्रॉप्स टाइप्स ऑफ एजियोट्रॉप्स क्या है, टेम्परेचर प्रेशर पे वो कैसे वेरी होते हैं एजियोट्रॉप्स. each and every details we will discuss in our incoming upcoming videos. So for from vapor liquid equilibrium we know that just gamma I PIS xi is equals to yi p. Okay, so here we know that xi for azeotrope, because conditions are given, then it is forming a azeotrope. So if it is forming the azeotrope, then vapor composition must be equal to the liquid composition. So these two will be cancel out, and we need to find out what activity. So gamma I is equals to P upon PIS, right? So for component 1, P is 1.013 and 0.878, and for the component 2 it is 1.013 and 0.665. So for the first comes 1.15, and for the second one comes it's positive 1.52. So the correct answer is B. Now the second part of the same question is, the Banlar constants A and B are. So we need to find out the parameters, constants A and B, and these relations are given to us, right? And from the previous question we got the value of gamma 1 and gamma 2. So gamma 1 will be gamma 1 is equals to 1.15 and gamma 2 is equal to 1.52. Okay, so what we do over here, we just substitute all the values in these two given relation, and automatically you will get the answer. The only thing is that the azeotrope, here you can see the liquid phase mole fractions of component 1 of this azeotrope is given. So x1, the value of x1 is given, which is 0.62, and it's a binary solution, so we know that x2 will be 1 minus 0.62, so this is equal to 0.48, right? Now we know all the values, so you can just substitute in the given relation. So 1 plus the value of x2 is 0.48, ln of gamma 1 we have already calculated, 0.15, x1 is 0.62, ln of 1.52, here it is ln, and gamma 1, the value of gamma 1 is 1.15, and when you solve this, just substitute put all the values in your calculator, so you will get the value of A is 1.15. Sorry, 1.12. And similarly, you can find the value of B also. So 1 plus 0.62 ln of gamma 1. Sorry, here it is gamma 2. This is 1 gamma 2. So 1.52. Gamma 2 is 1.52. So just substitute all the values into the given relation. So just substitute A is equals to 1 plus, in place of x2 you can substitute 0.48, ln gamma 2 is 1.52, and then x1 is 0.62, ln of 1.15, ln of gamma 1 1.15, and when you solve this you will get the value of A, and which is 1.12. Similarly, you can substitute all the values here also into B. So 1 plus, in place of x1 you can substitute 0.62, ln of 1.15 divided by 0.48, ln of 1.52 square, sorry, it's a square, ln of 1.5 to gamma 2. So the answer, it will come 1. Okay, so the correct answer is C. So very easy question. It is formula based questions, right? Hopefully you will be able to understand these questions. Thank you.